Hello, so great to see you. I have an important message for you today. It has been said that you cannot do today's job with yesterday's methods and still be in business tomorrow. How true is that? These days, it is all about innovation and creativity. It's about learning new things and personal growth. Companies and employees who are willing to do that will come out of this COVID-19 pandemic stronger than ever. Of course, we will still continue to have goals and to make plans, but it is important to keep in mind to be mentally flexible. This was my thought for today, and I will see you again soon. Until then, be happy, be healthy, and be at your best.